quickly hear from the other side. We have Srinivas sir. Sir, if you could quickly give us an update or a view in terms of how the banking system has now changed. We know the traditional model of banking and all of those things, right? So how these banks have come in, and of course a little into your journey.
Thank you. Good afternoon to all of you, and respected, distinguished panelists along with me, co-panelists, and Christ University for inviting me for this beautiful Affinity 2023. Special thanks to Girish and HOD Commerce Karthik sir, and my colleagues from State Bank of India. The State Bank of India, actually, it has nearly 24,000 branches, which is basically managed from brick and mortar. Now, State Bank of India also has embraced this new technology, and that is State Bank of India YONO. You only need one. Under that app, the mobile that you are carrying a bank in your pocket. That's the transformation that has taken place over the years. And none of you, even including panel, they're all youngsters, they're all younger than me, but I can really see the revolution that has taken place, but it is most essential. Nitin Kamath also said that inclusive. If the country has to achieve the 5 trillion economy by 2025 or 40 trillion economy by 2047, when the country attains 100 years of independence, now we are in Azadi Ke Amrut Mahotsav, then unless until you take care of the 140 crore population of today or the increasing population of the country in the coming years, without inclusive growth, you cannot become superpower, economic superpower in the world. That's my firm belief. And the financial inclusion, FI, is most important, and the banking complements, supplements and supplants Indian economy or any country's economy for that matter. The country has got 140 crore population, and we have 165,000 brick and mortar branches. 110 Aadhaar card we have. Why I am telling 110 card or 115 crore Aadhaar card, and between 112 to 115 crore mobile phones, which may be necessarily feature phone or Android or smartphone, which will connect with JAM, that is Jandan, Aadhaar and mobile, which is the direct benefit transfer of the Government of India initiative. Again, not to talk about UPI, not to talk about digital transactions, and 12 lakh bank employees across the country, 165,000 brick and mortar branches, 155,000 post offices, and 12 lakh bank employees or 165,000 bank branches cannot reach the last mile, the last person, unless until you bring in inclusive growth of the whole country. You cannot achieve the superpower status. Otherwise, it will lead to the social disharmony and chaos if the overall development doesn't happen, economic development that doesn't happen. For doing that, the digital literacy, the digital infrastructure, by every stakeholder has to bring in, and we have to educate the customer and educate the entire citizenry of the country that you, in their own interest, in our own interest, in the interest of the nation, we have to embrace the digital technology. The Fintech brings in the beautiful architecture, digital architecture, which can be done, the banking can be done without hassle-free. That is, the digital transaction can happen in CPP, that is cashless, paperless, presenceless. And other is one of the beautiful tool or facility that is unique, universal and ubiquitous. When all these things, even feature AEPS is there, other enabled payment system, where you don't need even to use this Android phones. So when you bring all these things together, then with the help of the fintech, and now almost all the banks, you name even small banks, have come out with their own fintech apps to bring in or to include their own customers into the this tech innovation or technology that is going to be order of the day, and without technology you cannot prosper. This is my firm belief. Thank you, sir.
Thank you.